The Navigator is a useful tool that can be found in the upper left-hand corner of VibrationVIEW. There's three main parts to the Navigator. That's the library, the recent test results, and also recent profiles we've ran. So I'm going to start with the library. These are automatically downloaded. All these files right here come with the software. So you have analyzer, ASTM test profiles, just common tests that people run, earthquake, everything from ISTA to mill standard, common sign tests, etc. Now you can also add to these folders. So if you have an ASTM profile that you'd like to run, you put it in here. You can add, subtract. You can also make your own folders. For example, I made a folder called frequent tests. To do this, you just have to go to your C drive right here, go to VibrationVIEW, and select New Test Defaults. And these are all the folders that will appear in your Navigator. So I made the frequent test one. Let's make another one, call it example folder. Now it won't populate unless there are some tests in it, so I'm just going to open the random and copy and paste into my new folder like so. And now if I refresh this, right here you can see my example folder I just made and the tests in there. So I'm going to select recent test results in the library, and right here it'll show the recent test results that you've been running. If there's an abort, it'll show what the abort is, stop button pressed, for example, max sign acceleration. Now you can also press this button with the three dots on it right here, and some options will show up. You can open the test results, create a report, save as, recover test, and then you can also upload to support. This is useful. Something went wrong, it aborted, and you want to send to support. You select that, and you can fill in what you were doing, what you expected to happen, and what actually happened. You can add some details and put your name, phone, email in, and you can also include the waveform recording file. This gives us the 30-second time history previous to the abort, and you can request help. That'll go straight to our support team. Now if you select one of these tests right here, you're going to see those same options down here: open, create report, recover the test, upload to support, and view the 30-second time history previous to the abort. Now in this section we have the recent test profiles, and you can open these. This will show you the recent test profiles that you've been running. If you go to the bottom left, there's some helpful links that we put in here. Setup instructions, there's how to. These will take you straight to our help file, and you can check those out. There's a lot of useful information in there too. And then you can also enable online content, so that will automatically show up right here. Anything that's new that's going on in VR, we're going to have a little banner right there. If you don't like that, you can enable it or disable it. And then you can also choose not to have the Navigator show up when you open VibrationVIEW. So it defaults to showing up when you open the software. If you don't like that, just select or deselect Show Navigator at startup, and you won't have to deal with that. And that is the Navigator.